Today, we're going to talk about pressure washing your rollout garbage cans. These things get pretty gross. Oftentimes, most people don't ever think about cleaning them. We just had crabs the other day, and when we threw the trash out, the heat caused a terrible scent to come out of this, so today I'm taking this thing out back to clean it. First step that you want to do is you just want to lay it down on the ground and open up the lid. That way it doesn't roll around on you or shoot anything back up in your face. Next, I attached my cleaning solution hose and ran it into my favorite pressure washer cleaner. This one has bleach in it. This can is gross and I want it to get cleaned really fast. After that, we're going to kick the pressure washer on. I'm going to use a wide nozzle of about 40 degrees. That way I can still knock some dirt off but also get some of the solution flowing out and start washing out the inside of this can. After doing a run with the solution, you want to pour that stuff out, then come back in and rinse everything out again. That way you can get the final little pieces off of the sidewalls of the trash can. You can use a scrub brush and really get into this, but I just wanted to get rid of the scent and I wanted to clean it out as much as I could. And using this specific cleaner inside of this trash can, it cleaned it out really well, as you can see. Then you just empty it out again and it's good to go. I hope this video today has helped you guys out. If you're ever looking for more information on pressure washers or pressure washing business, come check us out at pressurewasher.com. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe.